Okay, folks, I'm out here at Orr Auto Mall in Russellville. I've got a 2012 Ram 3500 crew cab with diesel 4x4 with the perform service check engine light on. It's not really a check engine light, just perform service light on. It's got a message popping up. So when I turn the key to the on position, we'll see the message pop up on it. Sorry for the shakiness. And you see the perform service and the eye beside the 77 degrees, and then the message showing up. So what we're going to do is hit the brake pedal twice and then slowly hit the accelerator within 10 seconds. And you see the message went to 0 and the eye went off. So we're going to turn this off and then we'll turn it back on. And you'll notice when we turn it back on that the message for perform service does not come back on. And you can see the messages is 0. There's no I for information showing a message, and the perform service did not come back on. So this is Chris Walker at Orr Auto Mall in Russellville. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, Rams, Nissans, Hyundais, any other cars, I'll try to find them out for you. Also, if you're in the market, I do sell vehicles. 479-747-0584 or Chris W at orautomall.com. You can also catch me on Facebook at Walker Drives, your friend in the car business. Have a blessed day. 479-747-0584, Chris Walker at Orr Auto Mall in Russellville. Thank you so much.